This video will show you how to install and configure our Dialpad ring out dialer for Zoho CRM. Once you clicked on the link in the marketplace, you should see a page like this. You're going to want to accept the terms, click continue, install for all users, select monthly or annually, or for these purposes, I want to choose the trial. You will have to wait until the extension is installed. All right, now we got this installed. We'll get redirected to a page like this that has instruction guide, how to get our JWT token, basically our API key. Once I click on it, we have this step-by-step instructions. You're going to want to click on the link to go and see instructions from the Dialpad side as well. It's quite easy, but a little bit confusing when it comes to their labeling. So when you log into your Dialpad account, go over to admin settings, select the My Company dropdown and actually click on My Company. Then you go to this page and click on authentication and add a key. Leave everything the same. Expiry date should be never. Give it any name that you would recognize and click save. Once you click save, you're gonna navigate back to this page, settings, and you're gonna paste it in here. Once you paste it and click save, the page will refresh and give you two other features. The whole purpose of the extension is it dials the leads immediately upon arriving into your CRM, and then connects it to an agent on your end. If the agent's available, it will ring the customer and connect the call. This will cut down your time to respond to a lead drastically and ensure that all your leads are being contacted in a timely manner. You could do this two ways. One is follow the lead ownership. So if your agent A owns the lead, maybe you're using assignment rules, and agent B owns your other lead, you want to make sure that the system is dialing agent A for its own lead and agent B for their own lead. So you could do that under the assignment rule feature. You're going to have to map the Zoho user to the Dialpad account. So in this case, we have two users and we map them like this. What you're going to want to do is, if you're choosing this method, is to make sure the user on their profiles have their numbers put in. You just click edit and put in their number in this formatting, their Dialpad number that is, so the system knows who to dial when that lead comes in owned by this agent, for example. So I want to do a test. Open up my Dialpad account. All right, here's my Dialpad account. And this should be my main account. So I'm going to pull over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and clone this account. This should dial using this. There it is. The phone is ringing. I'm going to answer, and now it's connecting it to my cell phone. I don't need to answer in this case, but that's how the call works. The lead came in, connected the agent that owns the lead, and then connected the customer. If for some reason you just want the main number to be dialed, and you have call treatments, like maybe a call queue that dials the first available agent, so forth, then what you could do is just use the other feature, override assignment rules, and put in your main account number and also which user that number is assigned to in Dialpad. So we get authorization from Dialpad, and that's all you need to do. At that point, it's just going to dial that main number. And that's all need to be done for this to be working. Any questions? Let us know.